But it's an honor po to be with stage with you, Sir Apple.
With the legend.
Yes.
With the legend.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat for having me with you guys, to rock with you guys. And I'm proud of you guys representing our culture around the world. So.
Yeah. Alam niyo guys, ang masasabi ko lang, iba talaga ang Pilipino! 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 Pilipino!
Hoy pare, pakinggan nyo ako. Ito na tunay na Pilipino. Galing sa baryo, sa babato. Pumunta ng LA, nagtrabaho para makatulong sa nanay. Dahil sa hirap ng buhay, pero masaya pa rin ang kulay. Pag kumain, nagkakamay. Yung kare, chicken and ho-ho. Yung pala binibenta sa kanto. Tagay mo na nga ang baso. Pare ko, inom na na. Pilipino! 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 Bebo, 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 bebo. Ikaw ang aking bebo, bebo, bebo. Ikaw ang aking bebo, 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 bebo. Ikaw ay Filipino! Filipino!
Austin, killed it. Give it to Apple.
Grabe, sobrang nakakabilib. And narinig nyo ba yung song na pinerform namin? Narinig nyo? Naku, abangan nyo dahil malapit na rin yan. It's SB19 and Sir Apple the App collaboration. We're very excited! Woo! Again, everyone, let's give a hand for Sir Apple the App! Thank you so much, Sir Apple!
Thank you so much, Sir Apple.
Nabulol ako.
Ano ba yan? 18?
Thank you so much, Sir Apple. Thank you so much.
It's the